Hey practice members, it's Dr. Dave Acosta with a message for this week. We are in the week of July 21, 22, and 23. And first of all, I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're staying healthy. And I wanted to give you a couple of tips on what's going to be on the wellness board this week. So we've got a couple things here. Number one is, what are you doing to take breaks when you're working from your computer at home? A lot of us are working on the computer at home. We are actually living at work, so to speak, now. So do you have 2, 3, or 4 things that you're doing, and how often are you taking those breaks? So we're going to talk about that this week after your adjustment. So make sure and remind me if you're interested in that. Number 2 is, what are 3 or 4 things that you are doing to manage your stress? What are some practices? What are some exercises? What are just essentially, what are some practices that you're doing to effectively bring your stress levels down during this time? Another area that we'll be talking about this week is, what are you doing to gauge your stress levels? Do you have a method for gauging your stress levels? That way you know, hey, I'm feeling great, or, I've got a little bit of stress, or I've got medium amount of stress, or you know what, I'm ready to blow a gasket. So what are some of the tools or the methods that you're using to gauge your stress, or maybe gauge the stress of somebody that lives with you, loved one, a spouse? So we'll be talking about that this week. So make sure you ask me about that after your adjustment, and then we'll take it from there. So lastly, our appointment times are going to be from 8:15 until about 11. And then we make time for new patients from 11 to about 12. And then we'll be back from about 3 o'clock until 6 p.m. And that's going to be Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So if you're not on the schedule, please be sure and give Tamara or Erica a shout, and we will set you up for your appointment. And we'll go, first and foremost, get you adjusted, get your nervous system cleared, and then we'll go over some of these topics here if you're interested. But it's just going to be a real pleasure to have you in our practice, and to make a difference in your health, to boost your immune system, and to give you some tools on what we can do to stay healthy during these times. So looking forward to seeing you guys. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.